Everyone, in a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English is 30. How much? Shefali is a girl or boy, secondary, but her marks in maths and English together is 30. So what? Let Shefali's marks in maths be X. If you take maths marks X, for example, two subjects are there. One maths and other is English. Total she got 30. In maths you took X. In English we kept E only is equal to 30. So what about English marks? It will come here. So you will get English marks is equal to 30 minus X. Correct or no? This I should not say every time. You should know this. So then Shefali's marks in English is equal to 30 minus X. Right? Understood? Understood? Right, Supriya Patel? Understood now? This I will erase it. Okay. Next what they give? Something that telling had she scored 2 marks more. Had she got 2 marks more. So 2 marks more in math. Then what was her score becoming? If she scored 2 marks more, then what her score will become? Tell me. Come on, tell me. What her score will become if she scored 2 marks more? No, Soumya. Sharnu, right. Soumya, 30 will become if she scored 2 marks. Others 30, right. Very good, Shweta. 2 marks more in maths will become X plus 2. Then they told 3 marks less in English. 3 marks less in English means it will become X minus 3. Correct now? It will become X minus 3. Now I am not going to check the messages. Chat box is closed. So the product of their marks would have been 210. Product of their marks. So this is both the marks product. This is both the marks product. Maths marks is X plus 2. English marks is X minus 3. Total would have been 210. Okay, 1 minute. I have just missed 1 minute. 1 minute. There is no 3 marks less in English, ba. Already English marks is how much? English marks is 30 minus X. So 30 minus X minus 3 will get. So 30 minus 3 how much will get? 27 minus X will get. Now product of these two, X plus 2 and 27 minus X is equal to 210. Now multiply and carry on. Shweta copied? Very good. Now what we will do, because of this minus is there, because of this minus, I will take this whole part other side. But before that we will simplify. Chances are there to simplify in that. You can see this is 27x and this is 2x. Both are like terms. I will go for simplification. So minus x square plus 54. 27 minus 2 will get 25. Now we will take this whole equation this side. Sorry, 210. Thank you. Thank you, Yuraj. Very good focus. X square minus 25x plus 210 minus 54 is equal to 0. Minus how much will get? You can do factorization or you can use the formula method now. Can you do that at least? Minus 13 common, you get x minus 12 is equal to 0, right? Factorization is very simple here. X is equal to 12. X is equal to 30. Alright, here both are positive value. Now which one we should consider? Both you right. Both you should consider. So If x is equal to 12, math marks 12, English marks 27 minus x, what you wrote? Sorry, 30 minus x you wrote now. 30 minus x. So this 30 minus x we should write. So these two are the answer. Now if x is equal to 13, then what the answer? Math marks. English. $70. We'll complete it. Both you should write. Both. Compulsory both. Both are positive, so both you should write. Right? Both you should write. Sum of two numbers. Let the two numbers be. One number you will take x, another number will be 48 minus x. Correct now? This is always this is about the story. Whenever they will give some, we will say like that. Two number. See, one number plus two number. Total is 48. Okay. So one number is x, another number we don't know is equal to 48. So second number is equal to what we'll get? 48 minus x. So always, whenever two numbers they will give now, sum of two number, you can take one number x, another number total minus x. Okay, every time. This is very simple, common thing. This was appeared in the exam actually, annual exam of board. Now, then what they give? Product of this is 432. So x into 48 minus x is equal to 432. Simple, yeah, very simple. X into 48 will get 48x. X into x will get minus x square. 432. I know that this is minus, so better what I will think, I will take this other side. Okay, so this x square will come here. Minus 48x plus 432 equals to 0. I can factorize or I can use formula method. Whichever is easy for you, you can do that. Shweta, got it? Shweta, got it? Whichever is easy, that you can follow now. So, I will follow the formula method. X is equal to minus b means plus 48. Plus or minus b square. 48 square means how much? Anyone? 48 square? 48 square, anyone? Anybody know 48 square how much? 2304, very good. Minus 4ac means we will get 4 into 1 into 432. You can use any method, whichever you want. Factorization also you can do. So x is equal to 48 plus or minus root of 2304 minus 432 into 4, 1728 divided by 2. Now we will do minus 2304. If you do, how much will get? You will get 576 divided by 2. Now x is equal to 48 plus or minus 576 means how much? 24 divided by 2. 24 the 576. One time x is equal to 48 plus 24 by 2 and x is equal to 48 minus 24 by 2. So 48 plus 24 means 52, 62, 72. And x is equal to 24 by 2. 2 12s are 236. We got the answer. X is equal to 36. X is equal to 12. Again, both are positive. We should find two numbers. Therefore, two numbers are x. We take 36. Then other number is what? Other number is 48 minus x. So we will get 48 minus 36. 48 minus 36, how much will you get? If you take 12, then you will get 12 and 36. If you take 36, then you will get 36 and 12. So both the answers are same. Okay. Both the answers are same. 36 and 12 is the answer. Both the answers are same. If you take 12, then answer will be 12 and 36. X meter. Think this is shorter side. This is shorter side. Okay, you take this is shorter side. Anyone shorter side. AB we will take shorter side. You can take any. BC also you can take shorter side. Up to you, ba. To see, I drawed some difficult, diagram can be made modification. Correct? Okay, now. Okay, shorter side it will be the x. Then they give diagonal. Diagonal we will take this diagonal. AC we will take diagonal. Diagonal they give the diagonal is 60 meter more. 60 meter more than shorter side. 60 meter more than shorter. Shorter side is x, so this is 60 meter more. Okay. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? 1 minute. Okay, diagonal is 60 meter. Diagonal is 1 minute. Okay, now visible see. Diagonal is 60 meter. Now visible now screen. Now I think you can see. Yeah. Okay, fine. Chalo, let's begin. 1 minute. Now don't miss it, please. Now listen, everybody. Diagonal is 60 meter more than shorter side. Shorter side is x. Diagonal is 60 meter more. Fine. Then longer side is 30 meter more. This is the longer side. Okay. Diagonal will take x plus 60. And longer side nothing but BC according to us is 30 meter more, so x plus 30. Correct, everybody? So you know, in case of Pythagoras theorem we can apply here. In right angle triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. X plus 60 whole square is equal to x square plus x plus 30 whole square. This is which theorem I applied? Pythagoras, PT theorem. Okay, we applied PT. Very good, Bharat, you got the answer. Now here we need to do a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab. 2ab plus b square. Here x square. Here also a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So here x square and this x square will get cancelled. 120x plus 3600. Here we will get x square plus 60x plus 900. So I will take this whole part, this side. So I will get x square plus 60x minus 120x plus 900 minus 3600 equals to 0. Now simplification. X square 60 minus 120 will get minus 60x. 900 minus 3600 will get minus 2700 is equal to 0. You can factorize it or you can use the formula. Whatever you do. Either factorize it or you use formula. You will get the answer. Okay. This time also you will get both positive. You will get both positive and both the values you should find. Shall I do or you will do? Shall I do or you will do? No. Minus 30 and 90 you will get. Okay. Yeah. Correct. Yeah, very good. Srinidhi Fatke, right? Exactly right. You will get x is equal to 90 and x is equal to minus 30. This will be discarded because of minus. Then you will find all the sides. One, you will find shorter side. Shorter side value you will find 90. Then you will find diagonal. Diagonal is equal to x plus 60. Nothing but 90 plus 60, you will write 150. And then longer side you will find, which is x plus 30. Nothing but 90 plus 30 will get 120. That's it. These are the three answers you will write. Okay. You can do it. Factorization or formula method you can do it, or you can't. Shall I show? Whether you can do or shall I show? Tell me, shall I show or you will do?